Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add frames to your picture on the Lumii-Photo Editor application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Select a picture and go to the border option next to the sticker button at the bottom of the page and click to the second option, the frame, and here you can find different frames, for example film, paper, vintage, journal, and more. And if you want to use a frame, just click that and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.